All right, what is up, guys? As you can see, brown truck is back together. I think it's looking freaking sick. It's been done for a while, but I just haven't had a chance to get a video out and get it all cleaned up, and so it's literally just been sitting outside getting covered in dirt, but finally got a chance to get it cleaned up and get some shots of it. I'm gonna obviously get more videos as time progresses and try to get some better quality stuff, but wanted you guys to see it because some of you guys have talked to me and said you're ready to see it and watched all the videos, so I really appreciate that. But I'm gonna go around it and kind of show you what we got going now and then what we're gonna keep doing to it, so check it out. All right, so on the front end we've got our color match headlights. You guys were all there for that, to see that. Got the grill. The stripe continues through the grill. Went with the billet inserts on the grill and the bumper. I think it gives it a kind of just a clean, uniform look. Painted all the pads, so it kind of looks like one big bumper cover. Right now the suspension is stock coils. I think I might have cut half a coil. It's a little lower than stock. I know it was sitting crooked, so I cut one a little more to make sure it was sitting flat. The rear is still lowered from when I had the whole thing lowered. No block, no overload, regular spring pack. So it's sitting pretty low in the back. Currently running these 22 by 12 American Force Recons and 33-inch tires. I was thinking about lowering the front back down so it sat level and putting it back on my 20 by 12 Cheyennes. But it's looking so good right now on these that I'm gonna run them for a while. And then when these get old, I'll drop it back down, put the welds on there, and give it a new look. Got the mirrors painted. Got 20% on the windshield. I did it myself, so it's not the best, but it was my first time. 5 on the sides, I believe. 2.5 on the rear windows. All right, so looking at the rear of the truck, got my color match tails. You guys were all there for that. Grant Customs roll pan. I had Bob do a custom box for me, something to match the race truck pan. A little similar, that way they both had the same style. Welded and bodyworked in, so it's really clean and smooth. Got the shaved tailgate handle, which I think with no handle and that straight stripe across the back just really makes this thing look smooth. Got the handle relocated inside, still functional. And this stripe, man, certain lights, this flake is blinging. Right now we're in the shade, so it's just looking chill. I really like how in the shade, you really can't tell that the stripe's any different color. It just looks like it's all brown with a little silver border, but when that sun hits it, man, it pops. I'll pull it in the sun so we can get a little more reflection on that. Oh yeah, so we're in the sun. And you can, I don't know if you can see, but right now what I'm seeing is it is blinging. You guys have to see this thing in person. I know for a lot of you guys it's not gonna be possible, but I'm gonna try to get out and have it at some events that some of you local guys are gonna be at, so you can see it and see that it looks just as good in person as it does on camera. Maybe better, I think. I know I mentioned it before, but the paint on this truck is Metalux brand. The color is Autumn Shimmer. It's a Lexus color. The stripe is Paint Huffer Metal Flake 50/50 silver with House of Color candy, root beer candy over it, and looks pretty good, I think. Love the combo. What do you think, Kyle?
I think it looks pretty sick.
Does it?
Oh, 100%.
Ooh. But that is gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope you think it looks as good as I think it looks. Feels cool to have a decently cool diesel again. Haven't had anything cool really since my silver baller. If you guys had me on Instagram, you remember that thing. It was before my YouTube days. Or cruise back through my Instagram pictures, you'll see it. It was air ride painted. It was awesome. So miss it. So it's kind of cool to have something else This is definitely not as crazy as that. So we're gonna have more content like that. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, just keep watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.